I'm sure that you all agree with me that it's just the best feeling to tear open your mail or refresh your inbox and see the words loan sanction. It means all your paperwork has been verified and your loan has finally been approved. Now this is where the confusion begins for a lot of borrowers. When will I receive my funds? Will the entire amount be transferred all at once or will it be credited in smaller chunks? In this video, let's understand exactly how the loan disbursement process works and what happens once your loan has been approved. Depending on the type of loan you've applied for and the credibility of all the details you've provided, your loan application will be processed anywhere between 24 hours to a week. If everything goes well and your loan gets that big seal of approval, you will get a sanction letter with important information like the loan amount, tenure, EMI, interest rate and more. This is mainly to tell you that you are eligible for such and such amount, X amount is going to be your processing fee, you'll need to pay Y amount as a service tax and so on. Once you complete these additional formalities and successfully cross every stop, you are all set to arrive at the destination you've been eagerly waiting for, disbursement. This means the lender is ready with the funds and you can expect to see the amount credited to your account very soon. Depending on your agreement with the lender, this amount is either transferred via a check or electronically via NEFT transfer. Lenders usually follow two types of loan disbursals. First, disbursement is where the entire amount is credited to you in one go like a lump sum. This is common in case of personal loans where the lender simply transfer the funds based on the approved amount. For this kind of complete disbursement, the repayment of EMI usually begins the month after you've received the full amount. Sometimes even for home loans, lenders opt for full disbursement, especially if it's a ready or resale property. You may also receive the full amount in a single installment if you've applied for a home loan for an under construction property that is nearing completion. The repayment is similar to what we discussed for personal loans, which is that you will need to start repaying your EMI from the month after the loan amount has been disbursed. Partial disbursement is where the approved amount is released in stages or installments based on certain criteria. For example, if you've applied for a student loan, the amount might be partially disbursed to you according to the fee structure of the educational institution you've decided to join. Partial disbursement is also common in case of home loans where the property is under construction. So one installment might be released when the foundation is laid, the second installment when the building permits are secured, etc. Disbursing funds in smaller chunks can also be very helpful to the lender in case of a business loan. Imagine you've just started your own company and set some goals or milestones that you wish to achieve. It's easier for your lender to provide you with funds based on each stage of your business. For instance, one installment could be when you're purchasing equipments or technology, another installment when you are looking to grow your workforce and need funds to pay salaries, the third installment when you are expanding your business and so on. Now you might be wondering how the EMI payment works in case of a partially disbursed loan amount. Lenders have something called as pre-EMI, where you only need to pay the interest component of the loan until the full amount has been disbursed and credited to your account. Only after the complete disbursal is done will you need to start paying the EMI. There's also a third type of loan disbursement called a direct payment disbursement. Let's say you've applied for a student loan. If your lender decides to directly send the tuition fee amount to the college or university you're studying at, it's considered a direct payment disbursement. The main differentiating factor is who receives the amount. Once this process is complete and you receive all or some of the funds, the lender will send you something called as a confirmation letter. After this, the only thing that's left for you to do is start repaying the amount promptly. So those are the main types of loan disbursement, and with that, hopefully you will know perfectly well what to expect the next time you apply for a loan. Remember, a lot of other things like how soon the amount usually gets credited, how long you need to wait between getting the sanction letter and seeing the amount get credited depends on who you're borrowing from. So viewers, do your research well, choose the right lender and fulfill all your requirements and dreams with ease. If you're looking for quick approvals and hassle-free loan disbursement process, head to the IIFL website by clicking on the link in the description box. And if you find this information useful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and receive regular updates on latest videos.